I'm going to show you how to replace the front strut in my 2011 Chevy Cruze. So if the car jacked up on jack stands, both sides, tire off, spray a little PB blaster on this bolt here, that nut there, that nut there, that guy right up there. Loosen the top of your strut with 24mm. Don't take that all the way out. Down here, you're going to take out 1, 2, 3. These are all 18mm. You can remove those all the way. When you get the nut off the sway bar length, just push that aside. You get the nuts off the mount here. Use a hammer, pop these out. Use a jack to support and pull these out the rest of the way. All right, while holding onto your strut, you'll loosen that nut up there the rest of the way. Then your strut will just come down, pull out of the way. So when you put your new strut in, use that nut to hold it. These two get torqued to 66 and then 60 degrees of angle. This nut here gets torqued to 46 foot-pounds. When removing and installing, don't forget this brake bracket hose support. Take that off and on.
Put your tire back on and put the car on the ground.
If you don't have the special tool to tighten the top strut, grab a friend, set your torque wrench to 48 foot-pounds. They can hold that. Open wrench here. Just tighten that, and then once this clicks, when they're holding that, good to go. You're tightening the nut though. This stays stationary. Once that's clicked, it's good.
So it's my understanding that the LTZ and the RS come with sport suspension, and I went to the dealership and confirmed that my car has this. These parts are harder to find, so I opted to go with the standard suspension and parts. This raised my car up about 1 inch from what it was. However, the back remained about the same. I am going to be getting some coil spacers to put in the back. If you're changing just the back, you probably don't need to, but if you're doing the front or both, then you need to make sure you get an alignment. If you have any questions, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.